Okay, what's happening? What's happening? What it do? Yeah, so I put this. I've been saying I was gonna put this on another thing, and I think I will. But I'm here now, so I might as well share it for whatever it's worth. Because it's a few of them. Got this one. I did the white one, and that's gonna be my theme. This is the beginning, and I don't plan on doing all the work myself. I really don't, but I need to know and have the tools and need to know what to do, how long it takes, whatever roughly, and pay a fair price. You know what I mean? Because somebody be getting it done, yeah. Work. Putting the paint on. What I know, yeah, it's a little thick. I should have put it on a little thinner, looking back. But it's all good. It's not bad, but it would have been better. Like a little lighter coat on it. So yeah, this is hey man. Like the boy Gary Vee said, you can split that stuff up if you want to, but we all who we are. We might well, show different aspects. Not, like I'm just this or that or the other. I got many things, many things I do. So, and I would say, as a part of getting your mind together, man, keeping yourself together, we should have other shit that we doing, some hobbies, things that get your mind off of the grind, the daily grind. But sadly, most of us don't have no time. The free time is minimal, huh? So we don't have no time to get our mind off the daily grind. We always on the grind. Hustle. And I feel it. I be there. I've been there. But I'm there many times. I find myself, but that shit'll kill you. You got to relax. Sometimes. Which, like I said, I'm gonna take this shit in a different direction. I don't even know. I could with me saying that you gotta be sharp. So while I'm brushing up on my narc skills, I share some stuff that I'm pondering on, thinking about, studying, looking at, But I don't want to be I'm not a psychologist or a psychiatrist or none of that shit. I want to be the narc guy. I really don't. That ain't nothing I could be talking about every day or every I don't know what. Hopefully not. So I like happy things, positive things, move forward, getting these chips together, creating fine works of art. Some unity, but I have none. I know I'm gonna have it, but I have none right now. Personally, hey, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna front. It's all me, but it's better days ahead. Everybody gotta go through. It's almost common sense. How the fuck, how that caterpillar gonna become a butterfly if it never get in the cocoon? That's a process, and what kind of shit that take? Just think about it. What does it take for that metamorphosis to go from Bruce Banner, mild mannered scientist, to the Incredible Hulk? Huh? It's a powerful change. Shit just ain't, you know. Hey man, just saying. Man, yeah, chilling on my works. I like it. I think it came out really nice, and I do like it. And I learned. That's the thing when you be learning that new stuff. You know, this food, man, it get overwhelming, and I'm starting to like, damn, this headboard and that headboard and that kind of head, like all the different possibilities of headboard I can make, but I gotta pick one. That's crazy, man. But that's a good crazy. Homemade, DIY, whatever you want to call it, you know, handmade, custom made project. Bed, make it how you want, to your preciseness. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you already have it. Hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. Leave a comment if you care to. Peace.